Why YouTube algorithm is not promoting your video. I know that you give 3 to 4 hours to create your video, and after uploading, you get 3 to 4 views. So, in this situation, you will have only one word for algorithm, mother. Well, it's not about algorithm. It's about your audience, because algorithm is the world's audience. So whenever you say that, algorithm does not promote my video, that means audience does not promote your video, not getting it? Watch the video and you will understand. So, basically, I have divided this video into 2 parts. First part, we will talk about how algorithm works, and in the second part, we will talk about how to beat them. Both parts are going to be important. So, let's start from part 1. That is, how algorithm works. Okay, so, before promoting any video, algorithm watches the watch history of viewers, what type of videos he wants to watch, so that every viewer gets his favorite video. Then, algorithm pushes that video to a small number of audience to check that video with the audience. What we have written in the title is in the video or not. Is the video informative, and there it counts. Your video's CTR plus audience retention. So, if your video has high CTR and high audience retention, then there are very high chances of the video being viral. And this is a very common point. That's why Todd Beaker said algorithm is the world's audience, because whether your video is going viral or not is decided not by algorithm but by your audience, because you have to show your video to the people, not any algorithm. Now, if someone tells you that algorithm does not promote your video, then write in the comment box. It is not algorithm, it is the audience. So, now let's talk about how to beat audience. That is how to make the audience click on your video and how to show them your video. Okay, so to make the video viral, there must be a good topic idea on which the audience is interested and may want to see the video. Because if you cover the topics of 2 years ago, then who will watch it? So, to find the best and unique ideas, you just click on the video on the I button. One tip is that you can scroll YouTube and find which type of videos are getting views and make a video on it. Don't call it copy, they call it inspiration. Well, after that, there is an important part of the video. An engaging script. So to write a script, look at the videos related to that topic, like what points are they covering, and take help of Bard and ChatGPT. But whatever information you're giving, it should be correct. After that, the editing of the video. So the video editing must be really good, no matter how much time it takes, because the video editing comes over, which hooks the viewers in the video. Well, you may be bored to listen. That's what everybody says. But this is the truth, because you have to show the video to the viewers, not to any robot. So make a thumbnail simple, clear and catchy. And if possible, add a red tune. Try it. It increases CTR. And if your views didn't increase with this also, then write a proper description and mention a big creator whose content is similar to you to get your audience correct. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.